Hi everyone, this video about how to add keywords on new YouTube channel. So follow this simple step to add keywords to your channel. Click on your profile in the upper right corner. This will open a drop-down menu. Then click on YouTube Studio. From here, click on Setting on the left side. A pop-up window will appear. From here, click on Channel option. Ensure you are under the Basic Info tab. Here you will see a box to add your keywords. Enter your channel related keywords here and just type them in and separate with a comma. Or it will be easier if you write down all the related keywords note for your channel in advance and then just paste them later. When you have finished entering all the keywords, after then click Save. Your keywords can be edited at any time and are an extremely useful tool when building your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoy it, please like and share on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon.